Right, question 12. Find the gradient of the line with equation 3x minus 4y equals 15. Now the easiest way to find the equation of a line is to rearrange it in the form y equals mx plus c. In order to do that, we need to make y the subject. So the first thing we do is rewrite this. And we can bring the y over to the right hand side. So 3x equals 15 plus 4y. Of course, to have the y isolated, we need to get rid of this number term. So we subtract that, and 3x minus 15 equals 4y. Now that we know what 4y is, we can divide by 4, and that tells us what y is. Y equals 3/4 of x minus 15 divided by 4, which is 3 3/4. You can get that in a calculator. Sorry, I forgot the x. And the crucial bit here is that next to x is 3/4, and that's the gradient from y equals mx plus c. Now, where two lines meet, or where any two lines meet, you're going to have a simultaneous equation because there's going to be a coordinate where they meet, and that coordinate has an x value and y value. So we've got two equations here, two equations in x and y, and from those two equations we can work out what x and y are. Lots of different ways of approaching this. One useful way is if the coefficient of one of the variables is negative, as positive. Now coefficient is the number in front of the variables, and variables are x and y, the things that can change. So here we've got the coefficient of y is minus 4, here we've got the coefficient of y is plus 6. If we make them equal, but one positive and one negative, then we can just add the two expressions. So we call this one 1, and we call this 2. Now we know that 3x minus 4y equals 15. If we multiply that by 6, then 18x minus 24y is going to equal 90. To match up with the 24s, I'm going to multiply this by 4. So 4 lots of the second one gives us 20x plus 24y equals 24. I'll call that equation 3 and equation 4. Now, 18x minus 24y plus 20x plus 24y, if we add those together, the y's are going to cancel out, and we're left with 38x. But 18x is equal to 18x minus 24y is equal to 90. So if we add that and that, 20x plus 4y is equal to 24. So adding this and this is the same as adding this and this. So 38x equals 114. Divide both sides by 38, and x is 3. Knowing what x is, we now go back to one of the original equations and substitute x in. This says that 3 times x minus 4y equals 15, which means that 3 lots of 3 minus 4y equals 15, or 9 minus 4y equals 15. If 9 take away 4y is 15, I'll carry on over here. We can subtract 9 from both sides and say that minus 4y equals 6. Divide by minus 4, and y equals 6 divided by minus 4, which is minus 1.5. So our answer for our coordinates is that x is 3, that's the x coordinate, y is minus 1.5, that's the y coordinate. Answer done.